Karnataka Examinations Authority has released the KCET 2023 application form. Candidates can apply online using the direct link available on KEA official website, that is kea.kar.nic.in. The last date to fill the application form is April 5. However, application fee can be paid till April 7. Here in this video, Careers 360 presents a step-by-step guide to fill out the KCET application form. Before starting the registration process, candidates are advised to keep ready the following documents to avoid any issues during the application form filling process. SSLC or 10th mark sheet to enter register number and date of birth, 12th or 2nd PUEC marks card if required, all the reservation certificates to enter RD number or caste, details of studies in Karnataka, latest passport size photograph, signature and left thumb impression in .jpg format with maximum 50 KB size. Steps to fill KCET 2023 application form. Visit the official website kea.kar.nic.in. Click on the registration link available on the screen. Click on the New User tab. Now answer the question and enter SSLC registration number and click on Verify button. Now complete the registration process by submitting details like examination board and other information such as email ID, phone number, course, qualification. Set a password and click on Submit Registration Form tab. Upon successful registration, the application number will be displayed on the screen. For future use, take a note of it. Now, using the login credential, log into the KCET application form. In the next step, complete the detailed information like general details, reservation, RD details, study details, and declaration. Finally, to complete the registration process, make payment. Candidates preparing for KCET 2023 exam and other engineering entrance exams like JEE Main, BITSET, VIT EEE, use our Careers 360 Prep combo to get access to unlimited test series.